Shri Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu Nityananda Shri Advaita Gadadhar Srivasadi Shri Gaurabhaktavinda Hare Krishna Krishna Krishna
हिंदी ट्रांसलेटर प्राण प्रभु है।
सबसे पहले गुरुपाद भगवत लीला प्रविष्टम विष्णुपाद अष्टोत्तर सतस्य श्रीमद् भक्ति वेदांत वामन गोस्वामी महाराज लीला प्रविष्टम विष्णुपाद अष्टोत्तर सतस्य श्रीमद् भक्ति वेदांत नारायण गोस्वामी महाराज के वचन कमलों में अनंत करोड़ तत्पश्चात नित्य लीला प्रविष्टम विष्णुपाद सतस्य श्रीमद् भक्ति वेदांत स्वामी महाराज गोविंद गोस्वामी महाराज एवं आज प्रणाम सिखा हो अच्छी भागवत की महत्व के चरण आश्रय करने पर महत्व के आदि उपदेश पालन करने पर और अति सहज सरल रूप में इस संसार के समुद्र से हम लोग एक बचने के फूल जितने पानी उसमें जमता है बोले उतना ही समझ करके वो कब पार करके चले जाते हैं पता नहीं लगता। केवल महत्व की शरण आश्रय करके भजन करने पर क्योंकि महत्व के जब तक हम चरण आश्रय नहीं कर रहे तब तक हमारे हृदय में जितनी भी
sadhus, alle anarthas die in
ये
het hart
अनर्थ
zitten,
में दूरीभूत नहीं हो
die
रहा
zullen niet weggaan uit ons hart.
है। अनर्थ की दूर करने के लिए उपाय
Om
क्या
de
है?
anarthas uit ons
न
hart te halen.
महत्व के चरण में
Wat is het doel?
अपने को
Wat is de middel?
क्या करना पड़ेगा?
Wat moet je doen?
अभिषिक्त करना पड़ेगा।
Jezelf
इसलिए
moet je abhishit, je moet jezelf reinigen.
निर्वापन गृहद्वा न छंदसा नैव जलाग्नि सूर्य महतो रदो पदोरजो अभिषेक But you are not confident. जाति न तेजा निर्वापना विरदवा न छंदसा नैव जलाग्नि तुल्यै महतो पदरजो अभिषेकम એટલે महतो रज पद अभिषेक महतो की चरण कमल की रज जो है चरण कमल की रज
stof van de
उनके द्वारा क्या करना
van
पड़ेगा
de sadhu,
अपने को
die moeten wij,
अभिषेक होना पड़ेगा
wij moeten daarmee
जैसे
onszelf
रोग
reinigen.
नहीं तपस्या न जाची हे रोगन राजन वह
Ik heb
भगवत तत्व
verteld
है
aan Rahugan Maharaj dat
केवल विद्या बुद्धि आदि के द्वारा आप प्राप्त नहीं कर सकते
je kan niet alleen kennis
हैं?
krijgen,
अनेकों प्रकार के ज्ञान वैराग्य आदि के द्वारा भी
je
संभव
kan het niet alleen door Gyan en Vairagya verkrijgen of door kennis.
ज्ञान वैराग्य के द्वारा
Je kan het niet door kennis
जैसे रहो
ook niet krijgen door puja.
निर्वाण सद्भाव कोई संसार के भी त्याग दे
Als iemand de wereld onthecht,
त्याग दे
de
करके
wereld
संन्यास
verlaat
लीजिए
of sannyas neemt,
संन्यास समझते हो? क्या है आप बताओ संन्यास में सम्यक रूपेण नाशम से
en het dus volledig
त्याग देना ही उसे
afstoot,
कहता है
dat is sannyas nemen. Je kan het niet
निर्वाप
verkrijgen door
निर्वाप
puja,
न
door
छंदस
kennis, door
वेद आदि
onthechting.
अध्ययन के
Je
द्वारा
kan het
भी
niet krijgen
आप
door
उसको
Vedas te lezen,
समझ नहीं सकते नहीं बस जलाग नहीं
Lees
सूर्य
kan je dit punt niet begrijpen.
अथवा अग्नि अथवा सूर्य के लिए जो तर्पण आदि का
Als je
जैसे प्रातः काल में
offerandes
उठ
offert
करके
voor Agni, Surya,
अनेक लोग क्या करते
zoals sommige toegewijden dat doen,
हैं सूर्य के लिए
ze offeren water
पानी
aan Suryadev,
ऑफरिंग द वाटर टू सन गॉड जलाग्नि जल अग्नि सूर्य प्रचंड समय जलाग्नि सूर्य तो किसके द्वारा होगा
dus
महतो
aan
जो अभिषेक महतो की चरण रज के द्वारा संपूर्ण रूप से अपने को अभिषेक करना होगा जैसा हम ठाकुर जी की अभिषेक कराते और वर्षित और ठाकुर जी with the 5 ingredients
with the 5 ingredients.
पंच पांच
Pancha,
प्रकार के वस्तु के द्वारा ठाकुर जी के जिस प्रकार
5
अभिषेक
types
कराते
of ingredients we use to offer to bathe Thakurji.
How many types of ingredients to worship? Lord. Dadi, dugdha, ghita, madhu, chena.
So yogurt,
Dugdha means milk.
milk,
Dadi, dugdha, ghita.
gita, ghee,
Or madhu means
madhu,
shahid,
said, honey, honey
honey. Or sweet sugar.
and sugar.
और अंतिम में क्या डालते हैं?
And at the end,
पानी डालना पड़ता है.
we
पूरा
put water.
And in this तात्पर्य क्या है?
Meaning,
महत्व की
The great
चरण
sadhus
रज में अपने
just, we have to cover our bodies with that completely.
को अभिषिक्त करना है. जब तक गुरु विष्णु की चरण रज के द्वारा हम अभिषिक्त नहीं हो रहा है
Until and unless we do not do this,
तब तक
then we
हमें
not
जितने अनर्थ आदि जो है
all the anarthas, we cannot remove them from our heart.
और जब तक अनर्थ दूरीभूत नहीं हो रहा है तब तक हम भक्ति राज्य में
Then we can enter into the realm of devotion.
भक्ति राज्य में प्रवेश करने के लिए
To enter into the realm of devotion,
सोपान प्रदान होता है.
and these are the steps.
सोपान समझते नहीं हो?
Sopan means steps. Steps.
सीढ़ी जिसको कहा जाता है.
Like a ladder.
ठीक उसी
Climbing.
प्रकार
In the same way,
प्राप्ति के लिए ये
to attain the devotional service to the Lord, First,
गुरु वैष्णव के चरण में अपने को समर्पित करना।
then first is to surrender into the lotus feet of Shri Guru.
आत्मसमर्पण नहीं कर रहे हैं,
Not until that time
तब तक भक्ति में प्रवेश
you cannot enter completely into the realm of devotion.
इसलिए भक्ति में प्रवेश करने के लिए
So this is necessary, this surrender.
जैसे हम हवन करते हैं,
Like when we do fire sacrifice,
घी और लकड़ी को
we
मिलाते हैं।
take ghee and wood. We dip the wood into the ghee and then we offer into the fire by the word Swaha. We say Swaha and the host, they say Aha.
तो 3 घंटा में हवन करना
After
पड़ता
2 or
है।
3 hours sitting, this strain,
इसलिए
for
और
this reason,
यदि उस मंत्र के तरह हमती मंत्र का जप किया था,
which mantra did we chant? When Bhuj mein?
108
100 times we chanted with Bel Patra, the leaves that are used to worship Lord Shiva. We chanted this Maha Mrityunjay mantra. Trimbakam Jajamahe Sugandhi Pushti Vardhanam Urvamubham Eva Bandhanam Mrityum Mokshamamritam Om Mrityunjaya Swaha.
समय लगते हैं।
Takes
हम
time.
इसलिए उदाहरण दे रहे हैं
So we're giving this example.
कि हमें पहले क्या करना पड़ेगा?
First, we have to
गुरु वैष्णव के चरण में अपने को समर्पित करना।
surrender ourselves into the lotus feet of Shri
जितने
Guru.
परिमाण हम गुरु वैष्णव के चरण में
As much as we do this, that much
परिमाण हम भगवत
we will enter into the realm of devotion.
भगवान हमें पहले कृपा नहीं करेंगे।
Not before this will the Lord give us His mercy.
Lord says, I am equal to all the living entities. हम सभी के प्रति मेरा
I have equal love and affection for all the living entities.
कौन मेरा शत्रु है और
Who is
कौन
my
मेरा-
enemy? Who is my friend?
भगवान की कोई शत्रु होता है?
There is no enemy to the Lord. How can there be?
Who is the
Enemy of the
enemy of
Lord.
Lord? Or who is the
Friend of the
Friend of
Lord.
the
the Lord.
No. I know. क्यों भगवान की कोई शत्रु नहीं होता, कोई मित्र नहीं होता?
Why is this the case?
हैं? बोलो तो कुछ समझ में आ
सब
रहा है?
Sab hum
Why?
unke
No one
is the enemy or the
enemy
friend
of Lord a friend. Why?
because is
No. First you try to understand. Someone will be your enemy and some your friend. Equal, if they're equal, same level is not. If it's not same level, will not will be able to your enemy or
your friend.
शत्रुता मित्रता जो काटते हैं उसके समान होने पर कोई शत्रुता और मित्रता कर सकता समझ में?
Do you understand?
भगवान के साथ समान कौन हो सकता
Who
है?
can be equal to the Lord? Nobody.
लॉर्ड से भगवान ने क्या कहा?
What did the Lord say?
मेरे बराबर मुझसे मेरे बराबर कोई है ही नहीं
There is nobody equal to me.
और मुझसे अधिक कैसे कहां से होगा?
How is it possible that somebody would be higher than me if they're not even equal? Jnana bala kriyacha. In the Upanishads it is said, try to remember this shloka.
भगवान की बराबर कोई नहीं हो सकता
Nobody is equal to the Lord. The Lord.
तो कोई बाहर दे नहीं
No one can be higher than Him. Therefore,
भगवान के बराबर कोई नहीं है उनके साथ शत्रुता मित्रता कैसे करनी
how can there be a friendship or an enemy to Him?
लड़ना है
If you want to fight somebody, you have to fight somebody equal to you.
है? बराबर वाले एक शेर
One
एक
lion
चूहे के साथ
cannot fight with one mouse.
लड़ेंगे।
Can try.
बात इसे
This is
हाथी कुत्ते
True,
के
is it
साथ
not?
थोड़ी लड़ेंगे।
a dog will not fight with or an elephant will not fight with a dog.
हाथी बाजार में चले
So Tulsidas is saying this example. The elephant goes through the marketplace and the dog chases after him.
हाथी जी थोड़ा अपने ट्रंक
If the elephant just moves his trunk a little bit, that dog will be thrown to some distance. Yeah.
और कुत्ते ज्यादा भग 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 करते हैं।
The dog will bark.
देखते ही नहीं। हैं? इसलिए तुलसीदास जी
Tulsidas is
दोहे में
in this
उदाहरण दे रहे हैं।
proverb is saying and giving the example that the elephant is going through the marketplace and the dog is running barking after him.
महान व्यक्ति ऐसी नहीं होते।
And the great person is like that. The Lord is also like that.
बात इसे ये गिनी।
Is it true or not?
मित्रता
This friendship and enemy can only be with those who are equal level.
और मित्रता भी उसी प्रकार से।
This friendship is also like this.
जैसे मैं एक कभी
Sometimes I tell this story,
कबीर की कथा सुना।
the story of the Kabir.
से पंडित मिले होई दो दो बात, अरे गधे से गधे मिले खाए दो दो लात।
So this phrase says, one like-minded persons will talk of light-minded topics, like a pandit will speak with a pandit on equal level. When one pandit meets another pandit, they will speak about the Lord. Just like Rupa Goswami and Sanatan Goswami, they exchange with them.
When he used to go,
Do you understand?
Rup Sanatan पंडित है।
Rup Sanatan is a pandit, he's a devotee of the Lord.
तब वो दोनों जब बात करते हैं,
When they speak to each other,
अरे गधे से गधे मिले,
when a donkey meets a donkey,
क्या बोला?
what
याद है कि नहीं याद?
do you remember?
आए दो दो लाख,
Khai Dodolat means that they
एक गधे
take each other's kicking. They take each other's kicking,
के समय
They-
गधा और गधी को वो पीछे से
whether male or female.
अरे एक दूसरे को,
They kick each other.
इसलिए कबीर
For this
जी,
reason, this
सारे
Kabir,
पंडित से
Kabir
पंडित
means the
मिले,
poet,
वही दो दो बात,
is saying this
मालूम है?
proverb
अच्छा,
of two pundits, two intelligent people, when they meet, they discuss intelligent topics. But when two foolish, ignorant people, they just kick each other.
बातें सही है जी। हम इसलिए कह रहे हैं,
So we're saying,
देखो भाई, भगवान की कृपा हमारे ऊपर नहीं होगा।
the Lord's mercy will not be upon us
भगवान भगवत प्राप्ति व भगवत कृपा प्राप्ति करने के लिए हमें
unless
क्या करना पड़ेगा?
we
महत्व के चरण व्रत में
take shelter of the lotus dust of the lotus feet of the pure devotee.
जब महत्व के चरण हम अभी आश्रय नहीं कर रहे हैं,
If we do not do this,
तब तक ये विवाद रहता है,
then this
कलह रहता है।
quarrel is there, conflict is there.
इसलिए भगवान के महत्व के चरण हम कैसे
How can we take shelter of the lotus feet, the dust of the lotus feet of the great devotees?
किंतु जब उसकी महत्व की हम पहचान नहीं पाए,
If we don't understand their greatness,
नहीं होगा।
then we cannot surrender to them fully.
सच्चा भगवान भी अब आपके पास आ जाए,
Even if the Lord comes in front of you,
आए
Will you understand that He's the Supreme Personality of Godhead? In the same way,
महत्व के चरण में हमें संपूर्ण रूप से
we
अपने को
should surrender unto the lotus feet of the pure devotee completely.
इसलिए महत्व इसलिए ये क्या बोले भरत महाराज जड़ भरत महाराज रघुगण राजा के ये श्लोक सुना रहे
So Jad Bharat is reciting the shloka to Rahugan.
रघुगणे तत्तपसा याचे न चेज्य निर्वापनादिक्रियाद्वा न छन्दसा नैव जलाग्नि सूर्य महोतो पदरोजो अभिषेकम्। महत्व के चरण रज में हमें अभिषेक करना है।
We have to bathe in the dust of the lotus feet of your pure devotees completely.
हम अपने स्थापित करें तब जीवन में सुख और
And then we will attain this peace and happiness that we are looking for, and we will be able to enter into the realm of devotion. Tat Padartha Gyan and Tam Padartha Gyan. And the third type of knowledge, Brahma Eka Gan, with Brahma.
We have to reject
We have
this
to-
type of knowledge. जीवा ब्रह्म एक ज्ञान अद्वैतवादी है इसको
This Advaitavadi impersonal philosophy we have to reject.
और भक्ति सिद्धांत सरस्वती प्रभुपाद फिर पुनः उसके
Bhaktisiddhanta Saraswati Prabhupada, he spoke again of 5 types of knowledge.
how many types of knowledge?
5
Types of knowledge. And first I told two
first,
types of knowledge.
first types, 2, Tat Padartha again and Tam Padartha again.
Knowledge about soul.
So,
Or third, the knowledge about Brahma, oneness with Brahma. और भक्ति सिद्धांत सरस्वती प्रभुपाद
Bhaktisiddhanta Saraswati Prabhupada, he taught about 5 types of knowledge.
ऐसा हमें तत्व ज्ञान में प्रवेश करना पड़ेगा।
We have to enter into this
प्रत्यक्ष ज्ञान,
philosophical conclusion.
इंद्रियादि जो ज्ञान हम करते हैं, इसको कहा जाता है
Knowledge of the senses, Prataksha Gyan,
देख रहे हैं,
like we see with our eyes.
देख रहे हैं क्या क्या देख रहे हैं?
What are we seeing?
भूत पिशाच देख रहे हैं।
We're seeing ghosts and spirits.
Sometimes you notice ghost.
No.
Did you see or not?
No,
Have you seen ghost?
no. Have you seen
Have you seen ghost?
Bhoot. What did he say? Huh?
भूत, अरे भूत मानी जीव हो।
Jiva means
Not means the
a ghost.
Not means the
Ghost. Bhuta does not always mean ghost.
Bhut means
Bhut means the living entities are called Bhuta. Bhuta Suddhi.
there are many meanings. Not to take that one meaning.
Not many, there are many meanings, not just
You
one.
are man, woman,
Man, woman,
trees, house.
trees, house.
Looking on. This is called Indriyas are there.
These are the objects of the senses.
No, this is what is called. Empirical knowledge.
Empirical knowledge.
Paroksha Gyan,
Paroksha Gyan.
indirect knowledge about the heavens, Sargalok.
About heavenly
We did
planets.
not go heaven. Have you been heaven or not? No, this life no. This life, we did not go to heaven. But our scriptures explain a very nice, beautiful, heaven is there. Nandan Kanan,
Oh,
very nice, beautiful forest. Amrit Bhajan, you can drink sweet nectar, and many kinds of entertainment. अनेक प्रकार जो है शुभ भोग के स्थान
and many types of enjoyment in heaven.
कैसे स्वर्गलोक में जाओ? How will go to
How will you go to the heavenly planets?
heaven?
punya
दान पुण्य आदि के
by performing pious activities, charity,
सामान्य दान पुण्य की तरह स्वर्ग लोग नहीं जा
not ordinary
दो चार कम्बल बांट दिया
charity by giving a few blankets.
उससे नहीं जा सकते हैं?
You cannot go to. I'm not criticizing anyone.
उसके द्वारा थोड़ा पुण्य होता है
You will get some pious credits.
फिर
Then again,
ये पर दो कम्बल बांटा तो 10 कम्बल आप
you have to. You will get 10 blankets in return if you give 2 blankets in this life.
पड़ेगा वो पुण्य में होता है जैसे कहते हैं अग्निष्टोम होम कहा जाता है
Like you have to perform pious activities like Agni Storm, Home,
दान की जो है
and many types of pious sacrifice.
दान पुण्य आदि
And then within that, there's so much charity to give.
लाखों करोड़ करोड़
Many hundreds of thousands of rupees are spent on such a yagya.
इसलिए कहते हैं
For this reason, this Agni Storm Home,
तब जो है स्वर्ग
then we can go to the heavenly planets.
इसलिए कह रहे हैं किसे बोला
So it is said,
परोक्ष हो गया
Paroksha Gyan,
परोक्ष होते हैं then
then Aparoksha Gyan,
knowledge about Brahma
the knowledge about Brahma,
that is called
Aparoksha Gyan.
fourth that is called
Fourth type of knowledge,
adukha
Adoksha, Adoksha,
Vaikuntha
of knowledge about Vaikuntha.
और then
And
पंचम ज्ञान that is
the
called
fifth knowledge, Aprakrita Gyan,
प्राकृत ज्ञान में
transcendental.
knowledge about
of the-
गोलोक वृंदावन न तो प्राकृत प्राकृत वत न तो प्राकृत देखने में
It looks like
इस संसार की जैसे
this material world,
किंतु मतलब सब कुछ कैसे
but everything there is transcendental.
जैसे ब्रह्म चिंता भी कर
Like in the Brahma Samhita it is said,
लक्षावृतेषु सुरभिर्पालयन्तं
Lakshmi Sahasrasamdevyamanam Govindamadi Purusha Tamaham Bhajami Govindamadi Purusha Tamaham Bhajami Govindamadi Purusha Tamaham Bhajami.
प्राकृत गोलोक वृंदावन
In the transcendental realm of Golok Vrindavan. It's very beautiful.
चिंतामणि प्रकट सद्मसु कल्पवृक्ष चिंतामणि प्रकट सद्म पर जितने भी गृह आदि जो है
All the places in Golok Vrindavan, the homes,
वो घर आदि कैसे
the
बनाए
houses,
इसके द्वारा
they are all made of Chintamani stone.
है ना? चिंतामणि प्रकट सद्मसु कल्पवृक्ष
Vriksha.
और वहीं पर जितने भी वृक्ष आदि है पेड़
All
है
the trees there
कहा जाता है
are
कल्पवृक्ष
Kalpa Vriksha, wish fulfilling trees.
और चिंतामणि कल्पवृक्ष लक्षावृति सुरभिर पालयन
Yantam,
जहाँ पर गाय कैसे
where all the cows are wish fulfilling cows.
चिंतामणि प्रकट कल्पवृक्ष
Laksha Yantam. Lakshmi Sahasrasambhava.
This Vrindavan Dham में
In that Vrindavan Dham,
आदि क्या करते हैं?
Lakshmi
सदा सर्वदा
are
सेवा
serving
लक्ष्मी तो सर्वसर्वसंप्रभुमान गोविंदम
Adi Purusham Tamaham Bhajami.
जहाँ पर धूल कणा भी ऐसे
Where the dust is so
धूल कणा ये dust of वृंदावन वो कैसे है?
how is that?
भूमि चिंतामणि भूमि चिंतामणि गुणमणि तोयं अमृतम वह पर भूमि भी चिंतामणि सर
And it's also like
तोयं अमृतम जल कैसे
wish fulfilling stones. That
आप वृंदावन जा
water is nectar. Have you been to Vrindavan? Did you bring the water from Vrindavan? Did you drink the water from Vrindavan? No.
That is called Amritam.
That is nectar, the water from Vrindavan. In the transcendental world, Vrindavan.
All the water is like
Nectar.
Goyum Amritam. Katha Danam. When Brajavasis,
So when the Brajabasis,
speak to each other,
they speak to each other.
अपने आप से वार्तालाप करते हैं. कैसे होता है?
How is that?
गान जैसे.
It's like a song, like a harmonium, like he's playing very sweetly and singing, the heart melting. Anupam Madhurindra.
अनुपम
How wonderful. There's no comparison.
के साथ हम क्या करना सकते हैं? अनुपम माधुरी जोड़ी
And the
हमारे
Shama, Shama, Shama.
कितना मधुर भाव आती है.
What such a sweet mood is coming.
श्याम श्याम
Sham, Sham.
श्याम
Krishna's name is Sham,
की नाम
and Srimati Radhika's name is Shama.
why rather name is called Sam.
Why is Srimati
Sam means blackish,
Sham?
or the deep blue. और श्रीमती राधिका, why श्रीमती राधिका name is called Shama. श्रीमती राधिका is not blackish, so why her name is called Shama. चिंतन करना पड़ेगा ना.
You have to think.
कीर्तन करते करते ये भाव आपके हृदय में उदित.
By chanting, these moods will come in our heart.
माधुरी जोड़ी
Amari, Shama, Shama, Shama. Shama, Shama.
एक एक चिंतन जब करेंगे
When we think of this one by one, our heart will melt. Very, very confidential. So,
राधिका name is called.
why is she called Shama?
अभी सुनो इसके बाद से करनी जाए तो आगे की कथा में बोल सकते
If we speak about this, we'll not be able to speak on the topic.
हैं. अच्छा है कि नहीं?
It's very nice.
हमें प्रभु जी ने कितने सुंदर कीर्तन.
It's Prabhuji sang, melted our hearts.
वो प्रभु जी कहाँ गए?
Pran Prabhu.
प्राण गोपाल.
Pran,
और हमारे प्रभु जी
and
राम भद्र प्रभु.
Rambhadra Prabhu
अच्छा भी कीर्तन.
sang very nicely.
ये पर जो हॉलैंड में सब अच्छा अच्छा कीर्तन.
Everyone in Holland singing so nicely.
गुरदेव ने क्या बोले?
Holy Land,
होली लैंड. तो होली लैंड में तो सभी
holy,
होली खेलते रहते हैं. सब क्या खेलते रहते हैं?
holy, holy de Russia.
देखो, दूर दूर से सब लोग आए.
Everybody's comes from so far, from Spain, UK, UK,
हाँ?
UK.
ये कैसे आए? ऐसे ऐसे आए. Are you? Spanish and Spanish. हाँ.
Oh, they local.
फ्रांस से. हम इसलिए कर रहे हैं होली लैंड.
This is Holy Land.
इसको अनुभव करना चाहिए. केवल गुरुदेव कहा दिया हम करेंगे नहीं.
Not just because Gurudev is saying this. No, no.
गैर से सुनो.
Listen carefully.
ठीक से सुन करके नहीं सुन. क्या लिख रहे? हैं? हैं? सुनो और लिखो.
Listen and write and remember.
गुरुदेव कहा दिया जे
Gurudev said, this is Holy Land. He is Mahabhagat.
महाभारत तो बोलेंगे.
He will speak.
तो सत्य ही है.
And it is true.
अनुभव करना पड़ेगा.
But we have to realize this.
अनुभव जब तक हमारे अनुभव नहीं हो रहा है.
Not until we have this realization, then you will not understand.
अनुभव करते रहो.
Keep trying to realize
बहुत सुंदर ये सब कथाएं हैं. धीरे धीरे धीरे
slowly, slowly enter into this deep philosophy we were speaking about five types of knowledge Srila Bhaktisiddhanta Saraswati Prabhupada spoke about in the transcendental Golok Vrindavan Dham.
वृंदावन कैसे है?
How is that place?
प्राकृत
Looks like this ordinary material world, but it's not. But everything is transcendental.
जैसे इलाज में हम देखते हैं
It's like we see here, we see men and women.
वह पर सभी ऐसे हैं।
They're like that.
घर आदि देखते हैं
We see the houses here. There, it's also like that.
क्रिया कैसे है?
But all the houses there,
अपराधिक
transcendental. Oh dear. He's got.
अपराधिक देखने में ऐसे ही है।
It just looks the same, but it's not.
गोपियाँ कैसे हैं?
How are the gopis there?
बहुत सुंदर है।
They're very beautiful.
क्या बताया?
They're all sundaris.
कृष्णदरी समझते नहीं? कैसे? हैं? कृष्णदरी शब्द का अर्थ क्या है?
Kishodari.
हिंदी कौन जानते हैं? एक से बोलो। हैं?
Kisho,
कृष्णदरी किसको कहते हैं?
Kishodari.
कृष्ण उदरी कृष्णदरी। जिनकी
Kisho
कमर
Udari,
है,
whose waists
तो कैसे होता
are
है?
very slim.
उसे कहा जाता है
Udari, Kishodari, like Mandodari, Udari, Udara, like stomach, waist area, Udara, waist,
पतली कमर वाले को तो अच्छी
thin waisted. They will dance nicely.
मोटी गोपी हो तो
If not a big gopi,
3.5 मन गोपी हो
if you 3.5 kilo, no, 3 month, this very fat gopi will fall over. In this song, there's some gopis are thin, some gopis are fat, but it's not actually like that. They're all very fine and slim gopis. If they're fat a bit, they will not attract anyone.
हम इसलिए करें ऐसे दिन पर देखने में इस संसार में जैसे
They are like in this material world, very beautiful.
इस्लाम में इस जगत हम जैसे देख रहे हैं
As we are seeing in this material world, it's there also in the spiritual, transcendental world.
कैसे
But in that world, everything is very beautiful, transcendental place.
देखने में इस जगत में जैसे
It looks like this material world, but
माया से ठीक कहा
it's not influenced by the three modes of material nature.
जो भगवत धाम जो है
That place of the Lord is not touched by the three material.
हम भगवान व्यापार में ये सब जो विवाद नहीं है
There is no there is no quarrel there.
और मैं भी ध्यान quarreling
If they are quarreling,
वो लोग जो झगड़ा करते हैं जैसे चंद्रावली
like Chandravali,
कितने पक्ष होता है 4 प्रकार के पक्ष होते हैं
there are 4 divisions.
और
Shurid Paksha, Swapaksha, Vipaksha, Surid, Tathashta Paksha.
समझ में आ रही है
Do you understand?
वहाँ पर भी झगड़ा होता है
There is quarrel there.
हम झगड़ा क्यों करते हैं
That's why we quarrel here in this material
समझ
world.
में आ रहे हैं?
Yeah.
और उस जगत में जो झगड़ा पर
That quarrel in the spiritual world is for the love of Krishna. But in this material world, we are fighting for our own selfish needs.
all that activity is to show pleasure for Krishna. कृष्ण सुख के लिए वो सब क्रिया आदि होते हैं
They are doing everything for the pleasure of Krishna. It looks like they are quarreling,
और झगड़ा नहीं है।
but this is not quarreling.
और इस जगत में
In this material world, whatever we do,
झगड़ा किस लिए होता है
why?
अपने
for our own satisfaction, for our self-interest, because we're influenced by the three modes of material nature, the material illusory energy. This material illusion creates this self-ego, false ego. It's there, it's on his cup. The water is in his cup. It's there. And everyone in this material world thinks that I am the enjoyer. The two things. Bhokta, the enjoyer, or the enjoyee. Krishna is the supreme enjoyer, and the enjoyee is the one who is enjoyed, except Krishna. Enjoyee. Even Srimati Radhika.
But when the highest stage of Mahabharata, that time Radha and Krishna both they are called enjoy. Then others they will call, okay, they will call enjoy. Not every circumstance. So,
in this way, in this material world, we are covered by the illusory energy. That's why we quarrel for our own self-interest. We cannot give respect to each other appropriately.
You have to give respect to your seniors, others. Otherwise, you will never to develop your sadhana.
How can we give honor to our seniors? Not your senior because of the size of your body, like the elephant. And the body of a lion. But the lion is ferocious and can defeat the elephant. You've seen in the temple a lion is overpowering the elephant. Meaning what? One who advances in the spiritual life, we should respect them.
You have to give respect one who is senior to you, with advance in his future.
If we cannot give respect to our elders in this way, we cannot progress. That's why Mahaprabhu said, Suhaishuna amanina manadena kirtanya sadahari. When we've entered, who has brought us to this spiritual path, we should be grateful to them. Grateful. Who has brought us to this path of devotion. We should be grateful to them. Vijay Prabhu. As many years as I've been coming to Holland, Vijay Prabhu and the family, they brought us to this. Many years they've done the seminar and slowly come to this realm. We were wandering so many different places. then brought us here.
मेरे पास ही लेकर के आए।
Then he brought us to me.
लेकर के आए।
He has brought us to me.
आपको मैं जानता नहीं, मैं यहाँ।
I did not know you, nor did you know me.
और धीरे 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 आप
And they brought,
तो इसलिए
for this reason,
आभारी हुए।
we should be grateful.
जो मुझे भक्ति राज्य में थोड़ी सी मुझे यहाँ तक
That who supports me even a little bit in my devotion.
आभारी हुए।
Yeah, we should be grateful. In Hindi, it's called abhari, grateful.
सबसे जो है बड़ी यही तो भक्ति नष्ट हो गई।
Otherwise, our devotion will be lost.
इसलिए ये हमें पहली हमें ये समझना।
So first, we have to understand this.
गुरु गुरु तत्व भी जब करते हैं, देखो एक होता है
In
पहले
Guru Tattva, first Guru is Varta, Pradakshman Guru. Then Shiksha Guru, Diksha Guru, Chaita Guru.
पहले होता है वर्तमान।
First is the Varta, Pradakshman
तो
Guru.
मुझे भक्ति के राज्य में
First, who engaged me on the path of devotion.
वर्तमान जैसा
Varta means path, road,
वे
way.
जो भक्ति राज्य में मुझे देखना है उसे कहता है वर्तमान। इसलिए वर्तमान के भी कभी अवज्ञा करना
We should not dishonor that person or those persons.
क्या हो जाए।
Otherwise, our devotion will be destroyed.
वर्तमान गुरु दीक्षा गुरु
Vartabhadakshu, Shiksha Guru, Chaita Guru.
इसलिए ये संस्था में विचार लेकर के धीरे धीरे
We should understand this and slowly enter the realm of devotion.
दिवे सम्मान दिवे जानी कृष्ण अधिष्ठान। You have to give respect all the living entities.
We have to give respect to all the living
God
entities.
resides in the heart of ये सम्मान दे। कुत्ते की भी क्या करना चाहिए?
Even the dog,
सम्मान।
we have to give honor to the
You
dog.
have to give respect the
Dog,
dog. क्यों? भगवान उसमें है।
because the Lord is in the dog.
यदि कुत्ते आपको काटने के लिए आ रहे तो दूसरी बात।
If the dog has come to bite you, then that's a different thing.
शेर को सम्मान तो इसमें मतलब नहीं है।
To give honor the lion, it does not mean that you have to go and try and embrace the lion.
One who embrace the tiger, he is also receiving his prayer. This is not. You cannot embrace the
Tiger.
lion.
Only one.
हम इसलिए कर रहे हैं भाई देखो ये संस्था विचार नहीं करती।
The time is up now.
बहुत सुंदर ये सब के विचार।
Yeah, you got caught. Give honor to everyone.
किसी के प्रति हमारे
Because so that we do not insult, dishonor anyone.
इसलिए तो महाप्रभु क्या करे?
Mahaprabhu therefore is saying, Torora Suhashuna Manina Manadena Kirtanya Sadahari. Then will we chant the pure holy names on your tongue.
सबके सम्मान, सबके आदर करना से।
Give respect to everyone.
समझ में आ रही कि नहीं?
Do you understand?
You have to give respect to.
You have to give respect to everyone. This is important. Otherwise, Bhakti Devi will disappear from your heart. As much as you've done, 10 years, 20 years, 30 years, 50 years, everything will be destroyed. For this reason,
व्यवहार ना करें।
and do not act harshly towards anyone,
Don't be bad behave to others.
badly behave to others.
खराब व्यवहार मत करो। कम से कम साधु के गुण लाने के लिए प्रयास करो।
Try and have these qualities of a sadhu, like
कितने गुण हैं?
was spoken. These 5 qualities of sadhu: Diksha, Karika, Sudha, Zavardinam, Ata, Satrava, Santa, Sadhava, Sunam.
साधुनां साधु भूषणम।
These words mean the qualities of the sadhu. Bhushan means ornaments.
जैसे अलंकार द्वारा जब
Like
सुसज्जित होते,
we are decorated with ornaments, then we look attractive
आज इनके शादी के समय
in like his wedding.
कहाँ गए सब अलंकार? And the ornaments. And
Where's your ornaments at the time of the wedding?
Where is your mother? She did not come.
Where is your mother?
अलंकार के जैसे अभी किसी के पास अलंकार नहीं दिखाएंगे।
I'm not seeing any decorations on any of you.
विवाह के समय
At the time of wedding,
अनेक अलंकार से सुसज्जित होते।
and many types of ornaments.
साधु भूषणम,
Sadhunam, Sadhu Bhushanam,
साधु वो
Sadhu.
साधु के भूषण।
These are ornaments, decorations of a sadhu.
साधु के कितने बड़े अलंकार?
5
5 अलंकार के।
types of ornaments,
5 ornaments of the
sadhus.
तितिक्ष।
Titiksha means
सहन करके जो क्षमता।
forgiveness and tolerate. Titikshava means tolerate.
तितिक्ष वो कारुणिका,
Karunika,
compassion।
show compassion to all the living entities
दूसरे जीवों के प्रति करुणा करो।
and have mercy
तितिक्ष वो कारुणिका
on other living entities. Surita Sarvadehinam,
के प्रति आप मित्रता रखें।
keep friendship with all the living
All the living
entities.
और
And
अजात सत्य, अजात सत्य।
Ajata Shatra,
Never think
never think
my
he is my enemy.
and this regard। इसके लिए युधिष्ठिर महाराज की ये
For this example of Yudhishthira Maharaj, Yudhishthira Maharaj, he never told Duryodhan he was Duryodhan.
क्या बोला?
He's Suryodhan, called him Suryodhan, one with all good qualities.
दुर्योधन ने देखो पांडवों के घर में आग लगा दी।
Duryodhan, he tried to set fire in the house of the Pandavas.
इनको मारने के लिए
They tried to kill Bhima by giving him poison.
महाभारत। हाँ? और उनके सब सब छीन भी लिया।
They tried to take all their wealth by cheating in the game of dice.
द्रौपदी के
And they tried to disrobe Draupadi
करने के लिए प्रयास किया। और ना जाने कैसे
and so many other different ways.
अश्लील शब्द आदि बोले।
They used harsh, bad language.
दुर्योधन दुशासन।
Duryodhan and Dushashan.
तथापि
Still,
महाराज
Yudhishthira Maharaj,
कभी दुर्योधन के नहीं बोले।
he never called Duryodhan
क्या बोले?
by that name. He called him Suryodhan.
उदाहरण देते हैं।
For this, in this example,
साधना।
Sadhuna.
और क्या शांत होने
And Shanta
धीर स्थिर,
is very sober
चित्त धीर स्थिर रहना।
and composed.
चित्त को क्या रखना चाहिए? चित्त के धीर स्थिर।
One should remain composed.
Not hesitate। ये तो संसार में आएगा।
These things will come in this material world. Happiness and distress will come.
एक पर्यायक्रम में आएगा। आता ही रहता है सब।
Will continue to come.
क्यों हम इस संसार में रह रहे?
Why
हम
are
इस संसार में
we in this material world?
इस संसार की
As long as we are here in this material world, these things will come. this happiness and distress. They will not help us to live peacefully. Do you understand Hindi? Nobody will allow you to live peacefully. This is the influence of Kali Yuga. As much as you perform devotional practice, this will come more. When the fruit comes on the trees, to get the fruits from the tree, it takes a stone to throw at the tree to get the fruit. But if the tree has no fruits, then nobody throws a stone at the tree. Like here, there is no mango trees in Bengal. You got so many mango trees. What we used to do, when the fruit comes on the mango tree, we used to throw a stone and get the mango. Nobody throws a stone on the bargad tree, the banyan tree, because there's no fruits, or the peepal tree. Only they throw stones at the mango tree because they're fruit bearing. This will happen to you in your devotional practice as you progress more. People try to bring you down. These calamities will come, difficulties, but we have to remain composed and tolerate. In this shloka by Mahaprabhu, Trinadapi Sunichena, if we can be tolerant as a tree, Gurudev used to speak. There was one king who was walking past underneath a mango tree. One small boy didn't know the king was passing. What did the boy do? He threw a stone and he threw a stone from a distance and to try and get the fruit. That fruit landed and the stone also landed, and the stone landed in the eye of the king, and he lost his eye. The king lost his eye, and the boy was captured by the soldiers. They all said that this child should be punished. When the boy was brought to the king. The king did not know that the boy had thrown the stone. They asked, "Why did you throw the stone?" "I did not throw it at you. I was trying to get the fruit from the tree." The king began crying. Just see. And that stone gave fruit. The stone gave fruit. By throwing the stone, the fruit came. The king was compassionate to the child and released him. We're giving this example. When you enter into the realm of devotion, bhakti, these things will come. These impediments, they make us more and more enthusiastic. Sometimes the Lord, in this way, He tests us. Do you understand? Give respect, honor to all in this path of bhakti. Give respect to everyone. And this bhakti devotion should be performed under the guidance. It's never independent, because bhakti is a creeper. This creeper cannot grow by itself. It needs support. Support. In the transcendental spiritual world, these creepers are also there. Vipine Ramana Prabodhananda Saraswati Pad is reciting this shloka. Srimati Radhika herself manifests these creepers with her own hands. In Vrindavan, when you go to Vrindavan, you will see these creepers, which are planted by Srimati Radhika's own hands. Very beautiful creepers, not just one, millions and millions. When Shyam Sundar enters into Vrindavan, these creepers, which are planted by the hands of Srimati Radhika, they become stimulated. Srimati Radhika says, "My life and soul, Govinda is coming." Hearing this, the creepers, they welcome Krishna. And in the same way as a bona fide disciple welcomes a bona fide guru in their home by the offering of flowers and sings, Namandire Sagatam Sagatam Namandire Sagatam Sagatam. How beautiful Vrindavan. Padan Madhuru Stalike. How beautiful Vrindavan is, where Srimati Radhika's lotus feet are printed on that land. If you go to Vrindavan, you will see very beautiful footprints of Srimati Radhika. There are 21 types of symbols. Signs. Everywhere you can see Radha Pada that Vrindavan, you will see all these beautiful birds, cuckoos, peacocks, peahens. They are glorifying Srimati Radhika, nothing else. The birds of Vrindavan are singing Radhe Radhe. The peacocks of Vrindavan are singing Radhe Radhe. The monkeys of Vrindavan are singing Radhe Radhe. But when you go to Vrindavan, they will take your glasses and your purse. They will not return it until you give them a fruity. Not only one, you have to give them 2 fruities. In one hand, they will have your glasses, and in the other hand, 1 fruity. And then they give the glasses to another monkey higher up, and that monkey also gets a fruity. But in this kirtan, we're glorifying Srimati Radhika, how all the birds, animals of Vrindavan are chanting the names of Radhe Radhe. And swans. Vihara Vipine Manome. Oh, my mind may always reside in that land of Srimati Radhika,
स्थान विहार भूमि में रहूं।
those pastime places where Srimati Radhika performed sweet pastimes. Our Vishnu Chakravarti Thakur has described Rasa Manostu Me,
जो वृंदावन में ऐसे सुंदर
that in those places of Vrindavan where the kunjas who belong to Srimati Radhika and nobody else,
completely dominated by Srimati
Radhika,
जहाँ पर दूसरे के भी प्रवेश अधिकार नहीं है।
no qualification of anyone else to enter in that place. Radha Kund.
हिंदी समझ में आ रही कि नहीं?
Do you understand Hindi?
That place is completely
Dominated by Srimati Radhika.
which place in Vrindavan?
Which
Radha
Kunda?
है? राधा कुंड ही राधा कुंड की बृहद वृंदावन में नहीं है।
This is considered in the Brihad Vrindavan. One is Panchakosi Vrindavan and the other is Brihad Vrindavan. When we perform Vrindavan Parikram, Panchakosi Vrindavan, from Nardakund to Nandagaon, is called Brihad Vrindavan, the greater Vrindavan area. This Radhakund is such a high transcendental place where even Chandravali cannot enter. Or Chandravali can only reach up to the banks, the borders of Govardhan. But in Radhakund is that transcendental place. Govardhanam. This Vrindavan is decorated by Govardhan Hill, and the two eyes of Govardhan are Radhakund and Shamkund. If there are eyes, then the face looks beautiful. One who has beautiful eyes, then they will have a beautiful face. They should be big, the eyes. Patal Chera Chok. He won't understand. It's a Bengali. Patal. Parmal. We made parmal. You made parmal yesterday. And that sabji. When you cut long ways, just like the eyes, long, right up to the side of the ears. And the eyes should be a little bit bulging, protruding forward, coming out, okay. I try. Like a deer's eyes. Bulging eyes. These examples are given. Radha Kunda residing in Radha Kunda. That which is not anywhere else is in Radha Kund. These two eyes of Govardhan are Radhakund and Shamkund. We're giving this example. It's trying to illustrate that if there are no eyes, then the face has no beauty. The beauty of the face depends on the eyes. One who has beautiful eyes, then their face will also be beautiful. Beautiful eyes. Not small eyes,
बढ़िया ये
very big eyes.
समझ में आया?
Do you understand?
वही आँखियाँ है इसके आँख है बिल्कुल ये है
Up to the side of the Mriga Akshi, the eyes of the deer.
मृगाक्षी मृगा मन
Mriga means the female deer.
जिनकी आँख
It's called the doe.
मीनाक्षी भी कहा जाता है
It's also called Minakshi.
इसके नाम मीनाक्षी है इधर
Whose name is Minakshi here? Nobody has got the name Minakshi. Meen means fish. It's like the eyes of a fish, slightly bulging, protruding,
इसलिए कहते हैं मीनाक्षी
called Minakshi.
इस समझ में जाए उदाहरण
These examples are given.
हम इसलिए कह रहे हैं
So
राधा
we're saying
कुंड ऐसे दिव्य अलौकिक
Radhakund is that supreme transcendental place. Even Chandravali cannot enter.
केवल राधा पक्ष और गोपियों के लिए
Only Radha Paksh Gopis, those who are on the side of Srimati Radhika.
और सबको क्या कर देंगे
But everybody else will be sent back. They will not be able to enter.
इसलिए कह राधा कुंडम वासो
Comes to me.
एक राधा कुंड में मेरा वास
My residence, may my residence be at Radhakund.
इसलिए रूप गोस्वामी पाद कर
Rupa Goswami Pad is saying
राधा कुंड में वास करना
that transcendental Radhakund, who does not want to stay there?
राज जनित वरा
Ah, Madhu Parista.
मुद्रावणी तत्रापि राधा कुंड में भी गोकुल
In the shlok, in the Upadeshamrita by Rupa Goswami. Half, everyone is saying a bit of the shlok. Madhupuri Bhakti Rasa Utsava.
रमणा तत्रापि गोवर्धना राधा कुंडम इमोपि गोकुलपति प्रेमामृतम रावण कुजात कुजात जश्च ब्रजति गिरि गिरि कटे एवं विवेकी
Very beautiful shloka by Rupa Goswami.
राधा कुंड में वास
Staying in Radhakund is the topmost.
हमें इसी प्रकार धीरे-धीरे पहुंचना पड़ेगा
There we have to reach slowly, slowly.
उसी प्रकार हो गया नहीं तो हर समय एक क्लास में रहे
You cannot stay in the same class.
जितने भक्ति करते जाओगे धीरे-धीरे आपको आगे बढ़ना
And you will need to advance
भक्ति राज है
step by step, further and further.
राधा कुंड में कैसे जाए
How we can reach Radhakund.
इसलिए कर नाम और गुजरिता
Tadi Sukhitanam Smrito Brahmena Rasnamanasi Yoja Tishtan Vraje Anuragi Jananugami Kalam Nayat Akhilam Iti Upadesha Saram.
भगवान की ऐसे मधुर कृष्ण के ऐसे सुंदर मधुर नाम रूप विराज स्मरण करो
Remembering the name, place, form, pastime, places of Radha and Krishna. It's not possible in this. If it's not possible physically in this body, then with our mind we should stay there. Anusarita. In this, we have to remember, slowly, slowly enter into the realm of devotion. What is the goal of our life? To enter Radhakund by performing our bhajan, devotional practice. And we cannot stay in the same class, quarreling. Stop your quarreling.
Don't quarrel. Don't argue.
argue.
Express your false ego.
Don't express your false ego.
अपनी गितरात भी सुनी हो।
Stay Trinada Pisuni.
क्या करो?
If you have made any offense, ask for forgiveness.
Ask for your
Forgiveness.
हर भजन करो।
And perform.
गुरु प्रसन्न होंगे, वैष्णव प्रसन्न होंगे,
When
प्रसन्न हो जाएंगे।
the Sri Guru is pleased,
यही तो भजन करना।
this is
नहीं तो क्या हो जाएगा?
devotional practice. You will be running here and there, otherwise,
क्या हो जाएगा?
and your Sangha association will be broken to pieces,
और फिर धीरे-धीरे
and then
विधर्मी आकर के
the irreligious persons will come and conquer over you.
इसलिए सब संगबद्ध होकर के रहो,
Stay in association
एक सूत्र में रहो, भजन।
and carry on your devotional practice.
You understand or not? Everybody understand. No understand, no problem. But you have to understand. Never criticize too. सबके सम्मान दो, सबके भजन ठीक।
Bihari Lal ki jai, Shri Radhe. Stay together.
रस्सी से सब बंधे रहो।
Stay tied together with one thread
प्रेम रूपी
in this thread of love and devotion, love and affection.
मां यशोदा गोपाल के तो
Mother Yashoda tied Gopal with her motherly, the rope of her motherly love, and Srimati Radhika tied Gopal Krishna with
कौन सा रस्सी के तरह बंध
which string? Prem Singhar Ras, conjugal mellows,
आगे जाना पड़ेगा। कौन सा रस?
or paramour mellow.
इसलिए उसी पर एक ही रस्सी से
We must be tied with that same string. Do not quarrel.
क्वालिफिकेशन करो।
According to one's qualification, we should respect and honor.
अपने को फिर कुछ तो करना पड़ता है ना, पढ़ना, शास्त्र अध्ययन करना पड़ेगा।
We have to study scriptures.
उसको नोट बनाना पड़ता
We have to make notes.
है। मन में जो आए बोल दे बस।
Just don't speak whatever comes into your mind.
पहले क्या बना? नोट बनाया कि नहीं बना?
Make notes or not? Make notes.
क्या बोला?
Do not ask tomorrow what I spoke about.
आगे। What did I say? I will ask tomorrow. Did you listen or not? कौन कितना श्रवण किया?
How much who listened
पढ़ाने के क्या बोला?
in the school and college.
लेक्चर के बाद प्रश्न
After the lecture, there is a test period, examination. Or you just come and you go.
आराम गया नहीं।
And Ayaram Gayaram means what? Just come and go.
कुछ लोग याद करो।
Through one ear and out the other. Try to remember some shloka. Don't talk of things from here. Like Vijay Prabhu nicely. And he spoke very nicely.
पढ़ना पड़ेगा।
You have to study.
नहीं तो इधर की कथा बोलो, उधार की कथा बोल रहे होते हैं। इधर की उधार कथा बोल रहे होते हैं।
They speak from many different sources.
मैंने बता देखो कितने सुंदर सुंदर राधा के क्या बोलते राधा रस
Sudhanidhi, beautiful shloka.
राधा वचिता पल्लव
Valari ke.
तो बोलने के साथ ही साथ भाव अपने आप
By reciting these shlokas, automatically these moods will come into your heart.
चित्रपट बिल्कुल आपको दिखाई पड़ेगा।
You create one picture.
पल्लव बल्लभ
Valari ke.
राधा जी के हाथों के द्वारा
By Srimati Radhika's own hands, those creepers
वो वृंदावन से ससुरी
were decorating Vrindavan.
जब आते हैं
When Krishna comes, Srimati Radhika herself says,
ये लताएं सुनी
"Oh, creepers, listen, my life and soul Govinda is coming."
वल्लभ गोविंदा है इतने
Having said this, the creepers, they come and bow down and welcome Krishna. Swagatam, Swagatam, welcome, welcome. This very beautiful mood. In the shloka, it is said, but the mood of the shloka, this mood will come. The Vrindavan is decorated by Srimati Radhika's lotus feet. How Srimati Radhika has 21 signs on her lotus feet. Glorifying Srimati Radhika. Why when we go to Vrindavan, what do they chant? Radhe, Radhe. Yeah. She went. What do they all say? Chanting. Nobody's saying Krishna, Krishna. Radhe, Radhe. And Hare Vipine. Where Srimati Radhika with her Sakhis perform numerous pastimes, not in Chandravali's place, by Radhakund. We don't want to go to Sakhi Stali. Do you understand Sakhi Stali? The place of Chandravali. 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 This is called Sakhi Stali. We don't go there, to that place. If you go there, Srimati Radhika, that name that is written on her list, she will erase that name, nikal denge. She will delete your name from her list if you go to Chandravali's place. We have to go to Radhakund. We have to meditate on these things. So keep chanting, reciting shloka. Don't speak from here and there. Don't waste time. Dhawan Bihari Lal ki jai. Jai ki jai. Gurudev ki jai. Tomorrow is Hari Katha. This is the food for the soul. Shri Radhe Shyam. Go from Jai Shri